Now coming to the next type of the retail outlets, mail order house retailing. Okay, now these are the retail outlets basically who sell their products through mail. All right, now there is a proper trading procedure which is to be followed. Number one being, their advertisements have to be given to provide information about the product. You will see advertisements about these products in the newspapers or in the magazines, informing the customers about the different types of products that these kind of retail outlets have for sale. All right, then order receiving and processing of the goods. After reading the advertisements, you know, the customers, they place their orders either using your using the telephone or maybe by placing the order on the net. All right, and after you've received the order, the order is processed to see that what is the quantity which is required to be sent, what is the type of the good that the customer has asked for, what are the specifications that the customer has given. Everything is taken into account, and then the order is processed and is sent to the customer using the postal services, right? Then receiving payments. The customer has various options of making the payments. One is that you can make the payment using a bank draft. All right, then another is you can make the payment once you receive the when you receive the goods, that is called as paying by cash on delivery. All right, so there are different options that the customer has at his disposal for making the payments for the goods that they have ordered through mail order house. Now this particular option for retailing is suitable only when we are dealing in branded and standardized goods. All right, that the customer is aware of a particular brand, fine, and is assured कि अगर मैं इस brand का product खरीद रही हूँ तो quality is going to be definitely there. There is no need to inspect the goods before buying. All right, products do not require any kind of demonstration as to how they are supposed to be used, and the goods are durable. Durable मतलब they are not perishable, खराब नहीं होंगे in transit time में. ऐसे ही products के लिए mail order house retailing is suitable, fine, and mail order house is not suitable for the products which are non-standardized. Let us say if I have to get a dress made for myself, so that's not a standardized product, that has to be made as per order and specification of the customers, right? Bulky goods like refrigerators and air conditioners, they cannot be sent through post. Then customers, and it is not applicable when customers are illiterate, because agar illiterate hai, then how are they going to read your advertisement in the newspaper or in the net that you have given. Now advantages of mail order house would be, it requires a small amount of investment to be made. Okay, because there is no proper setup or a shop infrastructure that has to be developed for mail order house. Then there are no bad debts, right, because you are not extending any kind of credit facilities. Wide reach, you are able to reach a large number of customers who are spread over a wide geographical area. Okay, one ad in the newspaper and you are able to reach a large number of customers, and they can also place their order because they don't have to really physically go to a particular shop. They just have to pick up the phone and order for the product, right? Then convenience. Why convenience? Because the products are delivered at your doorstep. ठीक है, आपको कहीं उठ के जाना नहीं है किसी शॉप के पास, right? The products are going to be delivered at your doorstep. So it is a very, very convenient method for shopping. Now coming to the limitations, lack of personal touch. The customers do not get the opportunity of physically inspecting the goods before buying. Neither does the seller get an opportunity for persuading the customer to buy a particular product. Okay, the promotional costs are very, very high. They have to incur a huge expenditure on giving the advertisement for the products, because that is the only way that they are able to communicate with their prospective customers. So they have to really incur huge expenditure on their promotional expenditure. Then there aren't any after sale services available over here. Once the product has been delivered, the process comes to an end over there. No credit facilities, because it is strictly on cash basis. Either you can pay by issuing a bank draft, or you have to pay cash on delivery. So there are no credit facilities which are available. Delayed delivery, sometimes it may happen कि postal department की छुट्टी हो गई, ठीक है? So that joy of, you know, once you've made the payment, you've ordered for the product, that joy of using the product immediately, the customer may be deprived of that. All right, in case there is delayed delivery. Then there's always a possibility of abuse. You cannot be sure of the person, you can't be because the purchaser, the buyer doesn't really know the seller in person कि कौन है वो, ठीक है, उसकी क्या क्रेडिबिलिटी है. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ अब्यूज कि आपको दिखाया कुछ और गया है उनकी वेबसाइट में, ठीक है, या उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट में, बट एक्चुअली जो प्रोडक्ट आपके पास डिलीवर हुआ है वो कुछ और है, उसकी क्वालिटी इतनी बढ़िया नहीं है जैसे कि दिखाई गई है. एंड आई थिंक काफी होते हैं ऐसे वाले केसेस भी.